Welcome everybody, Roy here from Yago Yoga. So day 10 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. So how did you get on yesterday? We were looking at coming to the end of the inhale and the end of the exhale and coming to it peacefully, so that you're finding you're breathing your upper lungs that little bit more, and that you're coming to the peaceful completion, and that you're feeling the spaciousness, and it's a flowing spaciousness, and that you come to that peaceful completion. So how did it go? And again, if you're a belly breather, you might have found it difficult to breathe a little bit to your upper lungs. So even a little bit of movement is wonderful. Again, if you're not a belly breather, but you have a tendency to breathe in your rib cage and upper chest, is you might find yourself over breathing a little bit, that you breathe really tight into it. So if you find yourself breathing too tight into it, again, ease back. Ease back 10, 15%, as much as you need to, that you find yourself coming to the peaceful completion of it. So today, what's the challenge for today? Today is, I want you to put all the three qualities together, so that all the way through your breath, you're feeling the spaciousness. Then you're feeling the flow. And then you're feeling the peaceful completion. And that you're breathing the spaciousness, that's a flowing spaciousness that comes to a peaceful completion. That you're feeling that spaciousness even in the completion. You're feeling the spaciousness in the flow. You're feeling the peaceful completion in the flow. That you're at peace with the flow. You're feeling the peaceful completion in the spaciousness. You're at peace with the spaciousness. That you're flowing in the spaciousness, flowing in the flow, and flowing all the way to the peaceful completion. Essentially, is that you're feeling those three qualities working together. And what that creates is the channel. So ultimately, what I'm really asking you to do here is feel yourself breathing the channel of your breath. That's the challenge for today. Okay, so let me describe it one more time. And again, in your practice today, micro movements is when you focus on your breath, notice it. And then when you notice the beginning of the breath, notice the space of it. And then just breathe that space as you move into the flow, so it's a flowing space. And as you feel that flowing space, is bring that flowing space to a peaceful completion. And then you're in the pause. So there's a lovely sense of you channeling your breath, and you're just flowing in that channel. Whether it's your inhale or your exhale, even on the exhale, you're exhaling, and again, feel the spaciousness. Now flow through your rib cage, and it's a flowing spaciousness. And as you come to your upper chest, it's a flowing spaciousness that comes to a peaceful completion. And that you feel that sense of you're channeling your breath and you're moving through that channel. So that's your challenge today, is while you're doing your micro practices, is if you think about your first cycle of the breath, you're just tuning into it. The second one, you're getting a clearer sense of it. So the third time you breathe through an inhale and an exhale, you be getting more. You go, there it is. So this practice, it may take you 3 breaths before you get yourself centered in it, that you get yourself into that awareness of it. And again, that's fine. That's 30 seconds, 40 seconds of a practice, max. So if you do 10, it's good. Again, 20, it's very good, super. 30 is amazing. And again, you're opening up the pathway and constantly bringing your awareness to your breath. And look at all the things that we keep layering into it. We just keep layering more and more qualities that are already there, is you're just opening your awareness to them. And we're layering them all in. And you'll notice that today I'm talking about your breathing the channel. So we're getting much more precise about the qualities in the breath and the inner space of finding our physical center. And as you breathe the channel, you're finding your energetic center. You're not just centered in it, is you're moving through your channel, your central channel within your breath. Okay? Now, from now on, we'll start shifting more and more into the energetic experience. So we go from breath awareness to energy awareness. So that's what we're going to begin to look at a little bit more tomorrow. But for now, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 11. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe. You'll be helping us a lot and build our community. If you have any questions, put them down in comments, and click the bell notification, and that'll keep you up to date with everything that we post. And remember, if you do the 30-day challenge, I'll do a one-to-one with you. Okay? All you got to do is send me a little email and say, Roy, I've done the 30 days. I'd like to do a one-to-one, and we'll have a session, and we'll go through your experience, and we'll start putting it all together a little bit more and refining it and defining it a little bit more in for your own experience, your own practice. Okay, thank you.